Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to change data frame in ArcGIS. As you can see from my map now, you are seeing the map in degrees and minutes. If you want to change to UTM, for example, you go to View and then come to the data frame properties, and then you come to General, and then just click this one, Display Options. Then you come to UTM, for example, and then you say you apply or you say okay. So now you see I am in 38Q and also showing the UTM in meters. So this is how you can say you can show or you can change the data frame units. That's all.